Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about built-in object methods of JavaScript. So which is one of the most important topics of JavaScript. It's like if you have learned how to use or manipulate objects and arrays in JavaScript, it's like you know 50% of JavaScript. So today let's get started with one of the built-in object methods, that is Object.keys. Object.keys is a built-in JavaScript function. So JavaScript will itself provide a function to objects, so which will return keys or properties of an object in a single array. So here I have student grade object. So these student names, Alice, Bob, Charan and Kiran, so these are called keys or properties of an object. So whereas these grades A, C, B, A, so these are called values of an object. Hence we have key value pairs. Okay, so to get all these student names, to get all these keys or properties in a single array, for example, you can see here, so to get in this format all those four names in a single array, we can use Object.keys method. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve this practically. So now what I want is student names, so I'll call this as student names. Okay, so object, the built-in function is keys. Okay, so I'll provide student grade objects. So you can see here what I am telling is, from the student grade object get me all the keys and store it in student names variable. Okay, so let's console it. Console.log student names. Okay, so on the right side you can see in the console, so you got all the four student names, all the four keys of student grade object in an array format, in a single array. Let's be more thorough with Object.keys with a real life simple example. So consider yourself like you are running a cafe and you want to display what you are serving in the display board. Okay, so now I have the menu item in a simple JavaScript object. So you can see here so this menu object consists of all the items we serve and price in key value pairs. So I want to display something like this in the display board. So pause the video for like 2 minutes and try it yourself. The int is to get all the keys in an array and manipulate the array using for loop. Hope you have tried this, but if you found difficult, let's do it together. So first what I want is to get all the items that we are serving, that is keys of this menu item, in a single array. Let's do that. So const uh, menu items equals, so object dot keys, so I'll provide menu items. So from this menu object, so it will get all the keys and store it in menu items. Okay, so let's console this. Console.log menu items. Okay, so here you can see, so I have all the items that we are serving in our cafe in a single array. So now I can iterate this array one by one and display in the display board. So let's do that. So I'll use for of loop. So const item of menu items. Okay, so console.log, so what we can use here, we serve. So we serve, so I want keys, so coffee, tea, sandwich and cake, so I'll provide this item. Okay, so now on the right side you can see we have displayed all the four keys one by one using a for loop. So hope this video has been helpful to you, and in our next video let's learn object.values method. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.